Hi, lovely people. Hope everyone is doing great. Welcome. Today, I would like to talk about starting a weight loss journey. I'll just be giving some tips and guidelines which you can consider before you start embarking on a weight loss journey. Most people start up on a weight loss journey and at some point they give up because they did not plan. They didn't have any driving force behind what they wanted to do. So at some point they give up. But if you're serious about what you want to do with respect to shedding some weight, then it's always good to have a plan. The first thing is, what is your motivation? Try to think of what is it that is making you want to lose some weight. There are so many reasons which you could consider. For example, it could be you have a wedding coming up in the next 6 months and you want to fit into your wedding gown. It could be maybe it's a party which you need to attend maybe and you need to look good in the next 3-4 months. It could also be that it's just as a result of you wanting to change your lifestyle. You want to live a healthy lifestyle, you want to eat healthy, and as so doing, it's just going to help you as well as minimizing illnesses too as a result of your healthy lifestyle. In that way, you will reduce diabetes, high cholesterol levels in your blood, and so on. So you should think about it. What is that thing that you want to achieve by losing some weight? And that is going to be your motivation and your standard for why you want to lose weight. And this aspect is going to keep you going because you know that you have a focus. You have something you're driving to. The next thing is to set goals. Set goals for yourself, and when you're setting your goals, tell yourself you need to make it happen. How do you set goals? First, with a positive mindset. How do you think of how do you have a positive mindset? You tell yourself things that will motivate you. And remember, if you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal and not to people or things. Why? Because if you look at other people lose maybe 5 kilograms in 2-3 months, and you think they are your motivation, and you get in and you can't lose that same in the next the same 5 kilograms in the next 2-3 months like them, you feel discouraged and you feel you can't do it because you have set your goals on people. So set your goals on yourself and tell yourself what you want to do. You make your plan out of your capability. The first thing is you set your short-term goals and your long-term goals. The short-term goals could be what? For example, you start with drawing a meal plan for yourself. If you usually used to eat 5 times a day, you cut it to 3 times a day. You take note of what amount of calories you eat per day. For a beginner, you can just cut down just a little bit of in terms of calories. If it becomes so difficult for you to be able to manage cutting down a lot of calories at a time, so you can start with just maybe 500 calories lesser of what you eat a day. After drawing your plan, the next thing is what? You have to do a schedule. Doing a schedule means you make sure that your everyday has a plan. Your schedule goes from breakfast, what you eat, when you go to work, during your break time, a 15 minutes walk you will take around, during your lunch, what you eat for lunch, when you come back home, what is the next activity you will do. You take maybe a 15 or a 30 minutes walk or jog just around your vicinity. You just have to have a schedule for each day, and you try to draw a schedule for a whole month and make sure you follow it. Your long-term goal could be that you want to live from a size 16 to a size 8. So you make sure that your long-term goals, you give a little bit of time so that you have time to be able to maximize all your plans. Now the next thing is you have to really feel confident in yourself. That inner confidence is what is going to make you to achieve those goals. Now, you also have to consider trying to change some old habits or lazy habits. For example, if you usually sit on the sofa and drink some coffee and relax on Facebook, you could as well have headsets on and go around and take a little tour in the woods, just take a little stroll around. That helps you also to keep yourself active, and you burn some calories too and keep yourself very, very light. There are times you can feel also very discouraged, and those are the times where you also need to get someone you trust, for example, a family member or your spouse, or even a very good friend to talk to, because these are the people who can also encourage you to get out of your frustrations. They can also motivate you, and you really also have to try in the first place before you embark on this journey to have a talk with your family members and your friends and tell them how this really, really means a lot to you, and they are going to be the ones too who can also help you to achieve your goals. You can also go online sometimes and read about people's frustrations on weight loss and how they managed it, and that will also be a motivation to help you going through. Another thing is, in your community, you can ask around and maybe join the club in your area. If it's a club that does a routine workout, or maybe exercises every week, you can also be a part of the group, because group members too also help to motivate and encourage each other. Now, the next thing, which is the last but not the least, is that you should encourage yourself, believe in yourself, build your self-confidence. You tell yourself that you can do it, and don't let yourself down. Don't look at other people to be your motivation, but try to be your own motivation, because you are your own support system, and you alone can make that strong decision to be able to achieve your goals. Stick to your goals and watch how slowly but surely you make things happen. The key and the watchword is to believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, believe in you, and tell yourself you can do it. And you will see that you are going to be able to do it. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Bye.